Hey Robotics, alrighty, so it is week 7. That means you got less than 2 weeks now till we are all finished for the year. So this week we've got two goals, all right? They are creating an animation of your virtual bot and practicing zooming on block day is what it says here. Just practicing zooming in general is going to be your goal. So like this week, our essential question is how can I simulate realistic motion with my virtual bot. All right. And before I move on, I've got your answers to the week 6 CCQs. So pause the video here and check out those answers if you need. They'll also be in the details. All right. But looking back at my model here, yeah, I've actually got it, simulating the motion that would happen with the arm motor. Okay. Yeah, what I would say at this point is I will continue making some videos. I'm going to try to make the video all the way through completed Clawbot and also that Clawbot being animated in some way. I believe that's going to be through probably like the animation or simulation workspace on maybe even a render on Fusion. But I haven't gotten there yet. I got a little bit behind this week, yeah, expect to see some more videos. But that is the goal. And if you actually get to a point where you get ahead of where I'm at with the videos I've shared on that playlist on my YouTube channel, you can come to this. Just go to Vex. You can do Vex EDR or curriculum.vexrobotics.com. You can pause this, check it out. If you look up 4.3, okay, that's what this is. This is Vex 4.3, and I've just been following these videos to create the Clawbot. Thing is, you'll have to interpret these a little differently because these are for Inventor, all right, and they're a few years old. So instead of doing things the Inventor way, we're trying to do things the Fusion 360 way, okay? If you've been watching my videos up to this point, today is May 8th, then I'm up to around here, okay, the video 11 on their directions. Beyond that, there's 12, 13, 14, and this last one, okay? So we're getting pretty close, to be honest. Yeah. Anyway, so that's your task. Besides creating your animation, I would like you to practice zooming on how to share that, okay? So I think it'd be really cool if the last week we were able to share with each other what we've created over the last few weeks or last quarter. And the thing is, you need to know how to do that, all right? Google Meet has not been working because it's just not allowed with the current district like restrictions or whatever, even though we are a Google Suite district. And WebEx, I know, is not your favorite thing to use, or maybe not as easy to use. So that's why I'm suggesting Zoom, okay? But I need you to tell me when you would like to practice working on that so that we can set that up, all right? So that'll be one of your assignments this week as well, is just emailing me saying, hey, Fagan, can we practice Zooming at this time so you know how to share your screen and show actually what you've worked on Fusion 360, okay? So those are going to be the assignments that'll pop up on Google Classroom, and I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, I want you guys to tell me when you want to share your work so we can also look at that on the last week. All right, that's it. Have a great week. Let me know if you have questions. Pause the video and use this link anytime 9 to 10 a.m. on a weekday for help from me. Later.